lovely creators! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's essential for any home, the guest bathroom. I'm excited to share with you how to find inspiration and decorate your guest bathroom with items that make you feel relaxed, stylish, and pampered. So let's get started. I'll like to add some glitz and glamour to our guest bathroom. A few stylish touches can elevate the space from boring to beautiful. Consider replacing boring cabinet knobs to crystal knobs. I got these at Home Goods store, but you can find them on Amazon as well. Next, wall paint. I painted it a light to medium gray. I love the subtle elegance as it symbolizes tranquility, neutrality, and sophistication. I also painted the cabinets white and added new drawer knobs. I have videos on all of the changes in detail. Links will be below. We added a waterfall faucet with glass spout and temperature-sensitive LED lights. I love how modern it looks. Add a new soap dispenser for a new one that fits your style and color scheme. I went with this gorgeous silver dispenser that matches my overall bathroom theme. For the vanity light, I went this POSSINI crystal. It's elegant and sophisticated and adds a touch of luxury to any vanity. Michelangelo's bust adds a touch of elegance and brings an air of refinement and luxury to the space. Also, guest towels add a nice touch. From Home Goods, here I switched the switch plates to mirror ones. Prints can instantly elevate the aesthetic of any room. Frames from Home Goods. Love the mirror look. My beauties. This art is done by my son. Beautiful. I also installed the crown moldings by myself. Style is called DENTIL. I have a whole video on that as well. Also installed this hotel towel rack from IKEA. Scented candles can transform your bathroom into a serene oasis, creates a peaceful ambience and a touch of elegance. My hubby printed this bust on a 3D printer. I also installed this peel and stick marble look tile called Carrara marble. I have a video on that as well. Are you dizzy yet? As we wrap up today's guest bathroom decor video, I'd love to hear from you. Did you enjoy this tour and get some inspiration for your own bathroom makeover? Let me know in the comments below. What was your favorite part of the design? Or if you have any questions about these items. Links will be below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.